No, it doesn't make sense. Hey, good morning. I am still the president of the Oahu European Car Club, so we're going to do a Cars and Coffee meet here. I thought the supermarket sold hot coffee. They don't. Whoops. It's been a week, dude. So the racing was awesome. I giggle now because when I was making the footage, better with the car in the background. When I was making the footage for the car, I didn't watch it all. I was so eager to make a video. You know, I just picked a few clips that were good. I forgot to post that we raced in the rain, and I did record a lap or two of myself in the rain, and by luck, I had left the GoPro on, which was in my car, and there's a scene where I'm kind of like holding the camera and struggling to hold the camera because I'm being passenger in the autocross, and we spun. I filmed that, so I'll have to get you that clip next. So it was kind of cool. Never washed the car, never vacuumed the car, never even drove the car all week. It's just been like work full speed. And I've kind of like, you gotta be thankful when weird things work out like that, because it's been a bad month at work because there's other requirements and other things. But let's just say I'm a pizza delivery man and the vans kept breaking down. Yeah, so it was a very busy week. I'm super happy because I feel healthy. I was healthy for the race. And but then on Monday, a pizza delivery driver crashed his van, let's say, but it wasn't our van, but it had our pizza on it. There you go. Analogy, yeah? Sexy car. So again, the Oahu European Car Club, I posted a car meet in Mililani. We shall see. I live pretty far away from everybody else, so if we get more than 5 cars, that's a win. If we get more than 10, that's like bang out. And if we get 20, well, then that's a big part of the club, because not a lot of the club comes out for any types of events, but there was some interest. People have asked to, I know. So that used to be a drugstore and it closed, so this parking lot stays empty. And yeah, it's got parking medians, so you can't do shenanigans at night. That's right.
Beautiful ocean and the palm trees. Sun is always shining, feel that cool breeze. Why you in a hurry, no need to rush things. Just sit back and cruise.
Good, clear? Okay. Green pants, probably worth big bucks, and there's just chilling in a tree.
Place like these islands, this H-A-W-A, H-A-W-A, H-A-W-A,
Every car in my house is dirty. It's been a week, man. I had to work a lot. Got to race the car. Had to work even more. I haven't driven this car in 4 weeks. Luckily, it was sitting on the Tinder. It drives so different from the other car. The power comes on so different. The transmission is magic because it's automatic. The sound it makes is different. The gurgle and the pop that it makes when you're foot off the gas coasting. So different. So excited. Tomorrow I have to drive to my other office, so I'm going to take this car, so I got it out, make sure everything's good. It starts a little weird though, so it's never had the plugs changed on it, even though it's got 20,000 miles. I think the plugs are due because of the years. The car's old now. Original plugs. I don't know if you're going to hear this well, but yeah, totally different sound, right? But the power is totally comes on different too, so.
That easy living, just going with the flow. Aloha, kekai, kekai. This place they call paradise, I call my home. Blessed to be born and raised local grown. This aloha going around, you know it's contagious. No, can't contain it. Yeah, my favorite place is there.
Right? Totally different sounding when you start it up. Pop, 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 pop. Thing's a beast. I had to swap the cars around so I could drive this one today. I have to go to Kapolei. This is my old office. Supposedly I left a box of stuff in a closet that is not allowed to be in that closet. Comparing this car to that 992 is like, they're both Porsche 911s, right? All done? Yeah, man. This car is a beast. And this car's a screamer. Oh my god. I don't know yet. How's the miles? Come on, focus 19,832. Maybe the camera is focused and I'm just blurry-eyed. Yeah, I'm just blurry-eyed. How's this creepy garage? Oh my god, I haven't been to work, to this office. Let's see, they gave away my office in COVID. Never drove the red car here, drove this car. It's been about 18 months since I've been here. When's the last time you went to your office? Oh man, what a long day. If you didn't know, I start my days pretty early, usually at 6 a.m., so I'm up at 5:30. So usually by 6, 7 o'clock I'm pretty tired. 9 o'clock, really tired. Unless I drink a caffeinated energy super drink, which I did today, so I'm still awake, but I have like bubble brain. Yeah, there's no comparison this car to the other one. So I drove this car all day today, and the torque comes on so late in comparison. It's like night and day, but this one, the engine sings more. I'm gonna have to stop and get some gas before we get up to the North Shore. I'm really excited to put toes in the sand. Oh wait, we don't even have the sunroof open? Oh man, why do you even have this type of feature? You have to enjoy this type of feature when you buy this car. take the country road. Some places they call it the snake road. That's a different name. When I was a kid, it was called the winding road, and it was haunted. So you didn't travel it at night, especially if you had pork in the car. I don't know why ghosts get mad at you if you have pork in your car, but you just gotta know. If your car breaks down and you got pork in the car, take the pork out of the car and then try and start the car again. If it starts, then you know it was the pork. Bad being on this person's ass. Sorry about that. Sorry about it. Just go a little quicker. It's probably someone's grandma. Not that I'm in speed mode. I'm in actually chill mode. This is the air right now is nice and chill. Got totally dehydrated down in Kapolei. Let's see what's the temperature. 73. Oh man, it is nice. The sun setting is getting a little chill in the air. Country road. We're not playing the right music for country road. It's starting to rain. What kind of luck do I got? Please don't rain. Oh man. You won't see any stance cars here. It's too low, too bumpy. Too bumps and bumps. Dude, there's actually waves. You know, there is supposed to be a storm tonight. Maybe that's why there's waves. I haven't been in the water in so long. Oh my god, it's sad. That was perfect, yeah. Well, I forget where the sun sets during the time of the year. Only in the summer does it set across the water. Any type of winter action, it sets behind the mountain. Oh. I'll take an extra breath of air for you. It's pretty awesome. Oh, there's the waves. There's waves. There's waves. Okay, there. said. Yeah. Now that was a good way for somebody. Wow, you know what? The vibe of this video has totally changed. Right? Trick number one, don't let your slippers get wet. You can wash your feet and put on dry slippers and you won't pound sand into your car. Porsche life hack. Please no sand in the Porsche.